Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing this book, The Other Side of Silence, written by Urvashi Butalia. About this book, the central theme of this book is partition of India. So, on independence, India also got the partition in as a part and parcel of independence that has been so devastating for us all, not just us, but all the people who have been beyond the border as well. So, in this book, Urvashi Butalia has interviewed a lot of people who have migrated during that era. So the central theme of this book goes in such way only that how the people have experienced all those things, how people in a lot of grouping came from this part to there was a lot of mass movement during that time. She has mentioned about that, and later on she has also discussed about feminism in partition, how it is interconnected. So yes, she has mentioned of feminism as well. So she has mentioned that it was quite difficult for her to interview women because whenever she used to go to home to interview, the male counterpart used to come up for the interview, but to reach out women was very difficult. And but the element of motherhood, the element of the loss of her child can be seen in this in the speeches of women only, and that was quite very, she find it quite very important to discuss in the partition as well. So that was one point. And secondly, she has mentioned how history is different from chronology. She has not said that history is wrong, but history is beyond dates, history is beyond chronology of events. History is about what the people has went through, what the people had faced, the consequence of the partition. There was a sense of loss, there was a sense of gloom, and that all you can find in this book. And in the beginning of this book, she has said how much difficult for her was to interview people, because she has to face silence of that people, that they were having that pain while saying all those things. She had interviewed around 70 people, but for herself it was quite very difficult to live, to have empathy towards towards them about their losses and all what they have faced during that era. So she used to ask about their home. So they used to say now or earlier. Earlier was before partition, their home was different, and now they are residing in India. So the book is all about the collection of such stories of the very common people, and for someone who is interested in knowing what the people who have moved during partition have felt. So I think this book is quite a very nice book. I'll be suggesting to you all. Thank you for watching my video.